Very good morning, my dear students. In today's video, we are going to discuss your another topic of morphology, and that is modification of roots. So far, we people have discussed function of roots, correct? Then in last video, we people have discussed region of root. Let us recall it once again. If you are talking about region of roots, तो सबसे नीचे जो होता है is your root cap. Then comes your zone of meristem. Then comes your zone of elongation, and last comes your zone of maturation. What is the function of your root cap? It acts as a lubricant. It protects root meristem. What is zone of meristem? Where actively dividing cells are present, which continuously adds new cell. What is zone of elongation? Here, newly formed cell elongates. In the sense, this zone is responsible for lengthwise growth of roots. Then comes zone of maturation. As the name says, मैच्योरेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? यहाँ पे जो न्यूली फॉर्म सेल्स एनलार्ज हुए हैं, इलोंगेट हुए हैं, दे अंडरगो डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर. इन द सेंस they differentiates, I can say. They differentiate into particular tissues. Say for example, some of your cell form xylem, some of your cell group together to form phloem, some of your cell group together to form, say for example, cortex, pith, pericycle. What is all this thing? We are going to understand in anatomy. Dear students, ये एक टाइप के टिश्यू है. आपका जो कॉर्टेक्स बोला मैंने, पेरिसाइकल बोला, पिथ बोला, this all are the tissues. This comprises part of your root stem. Okay? Am I clear? Now dear students, most important point you people have to memorize is that from zone of maturation there arises thread-like structure which is called as root hairs. जिसको आप क्या बोलो? Root hairs. And the purpose of root hair is to increase surface area for absorption. So till today we have completed all this thing. ठीक है? In today's video we are going to discuss your modification of roots. Okay? We very well know the function of root. जैसे कि क्या होता है? Absorption of water and mineral. It provides support, right? It is responsible in synthesis of plant growth, regulators, and it stores food. Apart from this, your roots are modified to perform different functions. Say for example, one, we very well know that storage of food. Second, there are certain roots who provides mechanical support. There are certain roots who perform the process of photosynthesis. Yes, you heard correct. There are certain roots who plays a very important role in the process called as respiration. Respiration माने क्या? It is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. So first we are starting with modification of root for storage of food. For storage of food, right? आप सबने रूट्स खाए हैं, yes or no? चलो बताओ कौन से रूट खाए हैं आपने? कैरेट, yes. स्वीट पोटैटो, yes. बीट, yes. Then सलजम, जिसको आप टुर्निप भी बोल सकते हो, yes. All these are modified root. इसमें फूड स्टोर होता है, which we are using as a food. Simple as that. Okay. So dear students, if I am talking about storage of food, right? तो जो आपके tape root है, this tape root are modified for storing food. Say for example, यहाँ पे आपका आएगा carrot. What I am writing over here? Carrot. Okay. Apart from this, here comes your beet. कौन सा आएगा आपका दूसरा example is your beet. Am I clear? Okay. One more is your turnip. जिसको आप सलजम भी बोल सकते हो. This all comes under your tape root modification. Yes. One more. That is your radish. Am I clear? ये गाजर, ये मूली, बीट, सलजम आपने खाया है. All this comes under your taproot modification. Okay. Now dear students, एक और कौन सा root मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था? That is your adventitious root. Yes or no? So adventitious root modification for storage of food, इसके अंदर you people have to memorize an example, that is your sweet potato. वो कौन सा है बच्चों आपका? Sweet potato. Am I clear? Apart from this, there is one more example, that is your dhalia. That is your dhalia, which comes under your this category. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, storage of food, taproot modification. आप दो example याद रखो, carrot and radish. Adventitious root modification एक example आपको याद रखना है, that is your sweet potato. Simple as that. Okay, चलो ये first हो गया. Now second one, modification of root for mechanical support. For mechanical support, as the name suggests, ये जो roots है उसका काम क्या होगा? To provide support. Okay. Now dear students, in this we are going to discuss two types of root. In this we are going to discuss two type of roots. Number one says your prop root and second says your stilt root. Okay, पहला कौन सा है आपका prop root and second कौन सा है आपका stilt root. Okay, if I am talking about your prop root, so everyone have seen banyan tree, yes or no? Everyone have seen banyan tree. Okay, and can you see that hanging structure जहाँ पे आप झूला झूले हो? Yes or no? Yes, that hanging structure are nothing but prop roots. वो जो hanging structure आप सबको दिखाई देता है banyan tree पे, which arises on branches, वो branches पे होते हैं. Yes or no? Yes, that is called as prop root. उसको बोला जाता है prop root. किसको support कर रहा है? You people have seen banyan tree, हाँ या ना? I can say that जो branches होती है banyan tree की, it is very large in diameter. उसका भी diameter ज्यादा होता है, तो there is possibility वो अपने ही weight से नीचे गिर जाए. To avoid this thing, there arises prop root. There arises prop root, that hanging structure which ultimately goes deep inside the soil, and that is what I mean by your prop root. Simple as that. Okay, so prop roots example you have to give, that is your banyan tree, and that hanging structure, of course it arises from node. It arises from node of stem. तो ये कैसा मॉडिफिकेशन हुआ? एडवेंटिशियस रूट मॉडिफिकेशन. किसका मॉडिफिकेशन है ये? एडवेंटिशियस रूट का मॉडिफिकेशन है. ओके, व्हाट इज एडवेंटिशियस रूट डियर स्टूडेंट्स? यस, द रूट विच डेवलप्स फ्रॉम रीजन अदर देन रेडिकल. तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे रूट्स डेवलप हो रहे हैं. कहाँ से? ब्रांच में रेडिकल होता है क्या? नहीं, from nodal region. From nodal region. Okay, चलो. Okay, here stilt root, इसके एग्जाम्पल में आएगी आपकी मेज. कौन सा एग्जाम्पल लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे? मेज. ओके, इफ यू पीपल हैव सीन मेज प्लांट, what do you observe? Say for example, if I want to draw here, ये उसका stem I am going to draw, and this is the nodal region. ये क्या है? Nodal region है. This is the nodal region. One more example comes your sugar cane. One more example comes your sugar cane. Okay, so dear students, what happens? ये जो nodal region है, can you see this? ये nodal region से क्या rise होता है? Roots. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yes or no? Yes. And this is nothing but your, what is this? These are nothing but your stilt root. ये क्या है आपके? Stilt root. Again it anchors the soil, है ना? It anchors the soil and provides mechanical मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट। वो क्या प्रोवाइड करता है बच्चों? मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट, सिंपल एज दैट। ओके, चलो फिर थर्ड वन, first one is storage of food, second one is mechanical support, and third one is modification of route for respiration. If I am using the word respiration, इसका मतलब होता है exchange of gases. कौन से gas? Which gas we are talking about? We are talking about oxygen and कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ठीक है। एंड ये जो रूट्स है, द रूट्स विच आर मेंट फॉर रेस्पिरेशन आर कॉल्ड एज न्यूमैटोफोर्स। इसको क्या बोला जाता है बच्चों? न्यूमैटोफोर्स, और इट इज ऑल्सो सेड एज एरोफोर्स। इसको और एल्स क्या बोला जाता है? एरोफोर्स भी बोला जाता है। एम आई क्लियर? रूट्स फॉर रेस्पिरेशन आर कॉल्ड एज न्यूमैटोफोर्स और दे आर कॉल्ड एज एरोफोर्स। ओके, इन विच टाइप ऑफ प्लांट दिस काइंड ऑफ modification takes place? This occurs in those plant which grows in saline area. Which grows in saline area near seashore. Are you getting my point? Seashore के near जो saline areas present होते हैं, okay? Saline areas मानी नमक वाले एरियाज, yes or no? That saline area, that marshy area, जिसको आप मैंग्रोव्स भी बोल सकते हो, they are also called as mangroves. Am I clear? So such type of modifications are seen in mangroves. What are mangroves? Which grows in saline swampy area. Which grows in saline swampy area. Am I clear? तो ये जो एरिया होते हैं वहां पे रूट्स, ऑफ कोर्स रूट्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सॉइल, राइट, बट देयर इज डिफिकल्टी फॉर दिस रूट्स टू गेट ऑक्सीजन, क्योंकि एरिया कैसा है बच्चों? सलाइन एरिया है। ओके, सो रूट्स को क्या दिक्कत होती है? दे डू नॉट get oxygen. If they do not get oxygen, they are going to die. Yes or no? Yes. If root die, entire plant will die. Yes or no? Yes. So this is one kind of adaptation. This is one kind of adaptation which are shown by mangroves. What are mangroves? Are nothing but, I can say, plants growing in marshy, or you can say it as your saline area. Marshy or saline area. Am I clear? Where root comes up, root comes above soil, root comes above soil, and it is in vertical position. It is in vertical position. देखो, for ease of your explanation, ये soil है, right? This soil is very salty, वो saline है, and ये कोई मैंग्रोव है, मान लीजिए this is mangrove. Are you getting my point? And ये उसके roots, can you see this? ये क्या है? उसके roots है। अब roots को क्या दिक्कत हुई? They do not get oxygen. ऑक्सीजन तो चाहिए, तो what these roots are going to do? देखो, बड़े ध्यान से देखो, ये soil है and this is the root, horizontal root. Can you see this? Yes. From this horizontal root there arises upright root. Can you see this? This is your pneumatophores. ये क्या है बच्चों? Pneumatophores है, which comes up, as you can see, which comes up, and here it develops absorbing root. Can you see this? ये क्या है? यहाँ पे क्या डेवलप करा उसने? Absorbing root. This is absorbing root. Are you getting my point? चलो, एक स्ट्रक्चर, एक न्यूमेटोफोर यहाँ पे मैं आपको बड़ा करके दिखाऊं. सो समवॉट लाइक दिस इट लुक्स. ये जो टिप होता है ना बच्चों, वहां पे पोर होता है, एंड दिस पोर इज कॉल्ड एज योर लेंटिकल. This pore is called as your lenticle, by means of which there occurs gaseous exchange. There occurs gaseous exchange. O2 अंदर आएगा, excess carbon dioxide goes out. Excess carbon dioxide goes out. Are you getting my point? So ये है आपका pneumatophores, है ना? ये क्या है आपका pneumatophores? ये mangrove. This is horizontal root. From horizontal root there arises an upright, है ना, structure. Upright structure, and this upright structure is called as pneumatophores. At the tip, can you see this? At the tip there is presence of a pore, जिसको आप बोलो lenticle, which plays an important role in gaseous exchange. Simple as that. So dear students, this is your first morphological structure. We have completed your roots, its function, its regions, and lastly we have done with modification of root. Now in next video we are going to start with your stem. I hope you people are very clear with this topic. Thank you very much.